Hello everyone, it's triage day for my Jibun Techo. I'm going to try and repair the spine with some bookbinding tape I just got from Amazon. Someone had suggested Gorilla tape, which is kind of like duct tape but by Gorilla brand. If this does not end up working out, I will definitely try that, and I am definitely going to go and order some regardless because it's always good to have a good strong tape around. So I'm going to take the pen out and then I'm going to take the Scotch tape off, which you can see was really holding it together well, right? So let's just go ahead, put that off to the side there, assuming I can get it stuck off my fingers. Okay, so I'll show you what the issue is before I get in here. The tape is sticky, but not to the book. Okay, so I have a little bit of tearing here at the bottom of the spine from where the elastic was coming up here. And then when I tried to put this in a folio, I essentially ripped this whole back part off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape along the back side here all the way down, and I might put an extra piece across on both top and bottom. And then I'm also going to put one here because that's where it was actually ripped on the inside. So I am not a bookbinder in any way. This is actually probably going to be the first time I'm ever using bookbinding tape. So please do not consider me an expert by any means, but we'll see if I can make it work. So what I am going to do, okay, and I'm not the biggest fan of measuring, which has really not done me well in a lot of cases. But for this one, what I'm going to do is I am going to align the top here. Let me make sure I have it centered on the tape. I'm going to lean back around. Okay. Oh, yeah, you're going to see my face there. Okay. So I am going to, so that's the very top. I'm going to put that down to the bottom there. And it's not totally perfect, but I'm going to consider it close enough. And then I'm going to cut down there. All right, so I'm going to rub into the spine right here, all the way down, because part of the problem with the Scotch tape is that it just was not sticking to the spine. So then I'm going to fold it down over here. This may end up being a short video because it might actually work pretty quickly. Okay. So I'm going to fold that down over here. And again, rub it real good, rub the spine again. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little strip on either side here. It doesn't need to be super long. Again, I am not going to measure. I'm just going to cut. Oh, that didn't work very well, did it? Okay. This tape's pretty strong, so I actually have a feeling that this is going to work pretty well. Okay, and then I'm going to cut another strip about the same length so that even if it looks terrible, it's going to look terrible on both ends. Okay. So I'm going to put one down there on the table. So let's see. I will make it flush with the edge on the front, so even if it's a little bit further back on the back, it'll be the back of the notebook. Okay. I know, that was actually almost perfect. Well, there you go. I've often found that eyeballing tends to be pretty reliable, even if you're not actually measuring. Okay. And I'm going to put one on the front here. Oh, and that one was a little bit longer, but that's okay. Okay. This is lazy person's bookbinding here. Okay, let me check the front to make sure. Okay, that looks like it's still okay. But I am going to put piece of tape from top to bottom here on this inside cover. I'm going to take this picture and ollie clip out. So once again, like I said, I'm not a big fan of measuring, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back up against, I'm going to move that up so you can see, put it back up against the book. I'm going to cut it there. Okay, I'm having a little bit of an issue cutting there. Okay, got it. So this is hopefully around the right length. So I have to make sure. Okay, so this is going to be a little tricky. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to align it top and bottom here, and then smush that up. Make sure it's going down into the crack of the notebook. And then all right. I'm surprised at how well that seemed to work. Okay, so then I'll kind of smush it down because it is going to be a little thicker in the back then because of that back page. Let me check in the back. Oh, it looks like all the other pages back here are still together. Okay. All right, I'm going to consider that done. Let me go ahead and get my notebook out, or my traveler's notebook, and put it back in there. Okay, again, so these elastics in this Lady Falcon Travelers are super loose, which is good. So hopefully I won't have that problem again. And I am going to go down here. Okay. Put through there, and there you go. All right, let's see how this holds up. So far it looks pretty good. I mean, it's not, the elastic doesn't look like it's going to pull up in there at all. I'm not going to do that too hard. All right. Okay, so hopefully that Jibun Techo is good to go for another few months, because hopefully the rest of the year. All right, I will keep you updated on how that fix goes. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.